Hello, good morning everybody. It's Wendy here and I live in Narberth, Pembrokeshire. Now this morning, this card, I'm going to hide some of them because you don't need to see them. This is going to be a first for me, so please bear with me. Right, now then, I had this given to me by very dear friends. And this is the first time I've used it, so like I said, please bear with me because I've got no idea what this is going to turn out like. Oh, I know what I need. I need dimensionals. There they are. They're not very thick though, are they? Where's my other ones? Here we go. This is better. This is the one on the roll. Now this is a lot thicker, and I do prefer my dimensionals to be quite thick. Excuse me while I have a drink of tea. And then here, I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but I call it my rufferer. And what I'm going to do is going to go down the side of the cards and make it look rougher. And what this does as well, it gives you the illusion that there is a white mat underneath it. Unless, of course, you do like me and you colour it in a different colour, but I'm not going to do that today. Bit messy, but hey-ho. There we go. Oh, hang on, I haven't done the top, have I? Oh, that's broke. Look, it doesn't matter if these little things get broken, because you can, accidentally break them and ruffle them up and, make it look a bit rougher on the edges, I was going to say then, but yeah, it is rougher on the edges. Right, I'm now going to put some dimensional roll down here. I hope it's nice and dry where you are. It's dry here so far in Narberth, but it has been horrendous weather we've had for the last few days. We've had thunder, hail, snow, sunshine, thunder, hail, snow, well, just everything really. About 4 o'clock the other day, the other morning, the wind and the thunder, dear me, absolutely. Now I'm getting stuck to the dimensional, and the dimensional's getting stuck to me. Right, pull this last bit off. As you can see, I haven't used this very much. Now, I've learned this trick from my dear friend Monica. She puts glue on top of the dimensions. I thought, what did you do that for? And she said, well, that ensures that it will, did you put that on upside down? Ensure that it will stick. So I'm going to put that on there. I'm going to give it slight pressure. I'm not going to jump on it or anything daft like that. I'm just going to give it a slight pressure so that it will actually stick. Then for the next layer, this is another thing that Monica gave, another little piece that Monica gave me. I mean, they all come in, it's all embellishments in the end. Now, I'm only going to put a little bit on this because the Tombow glue, if you leave it, if I put Tombow glue on there, it would dry sticky. Does that make sense to you? No, not me. There we are. Hey ho. Right. So very carefully do. So I'm going to put that on there. There. oh, I got it on my fingers. And I'm going to put, this is, I think they're called resin elements. I'm just going to, I thought I'd keep it very sort of cream and red. And now I'm using my new phone. Well, I got this phone a few months ago, and I had a chap come out to have a look at my computer because it was playing up badly. So out he came and he said, "Why have you got two phones there?" And I explained to her, I said, "Well, because I can't get it to work." So I must have spent about 2 hours yesterday. I need some different glue for that, I can tell. Spent a couple of hours yesterday, and I got it working. I got it downloaded and everything. So there we are. I will get some different glue for that because I've got a feeling it needs something stronger. No, just gives me patience. So there we are. My first sort of, I don't know whether it's Shabby Chic you call it, but I'm really pleased with her. You could put sentiment in there or just leave it blank and put the sentiment in the middle. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.